Hi, Melanie here. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to install and operate the Chrome extensions that will really help you clean up your Facebook profile really quickly. There's a couple of them that I really enjoy using to make changes in my Facebook make changes in a Facebook profile when I really need to, regroup the groups that I've joined and reset my friends list to really, target a promotion or develop some real connections with people who are interested in the things that I enjoy. So I've put this together because I'm involved in a boot camp with Online Sales Pro, and I posted about it, and a lot of people really liked it. So I hope you enjoy it too. I'm going to share my screen so you can see my desktop. And now you should be able to see my desktop. So to get your Chrome extensions, you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store, it's called. It's at the address chrome.google.com/webstore/category/extensions is where I go. The first tool that I use is called Toolkit for Facebook. So I just type that in the search bar. And it's this one right here that I like to use. It has a blue icon, looks like PST are the letters. Now I already have it installed and Google knows that, but it should have an Add to Chrome button if you haven't installed it yet. And once you install it, it shows up right here beside your address bar, and you can open it once it's installed. And underneath the underneath the tools menu here, there are 18 different tools that you can use on your Facebook profile. I'll just read out a couple of examples in case you're having trouble seeing it, but this tool will allow you to send messages to multiple Facebook friends at once. Download a file from Facebook using a video URL. This tool will allow you to click on like buttons that are currently visible on your screen. This one's really fun. Let's try this one. So I'm going to go to it opens up my Facebook screen, and I'm just going to start clicking. And every 3 seconds, because I set the time interval here in the corner, it's going to start liking all the like buttons that it sees on my screen. So as long as I keep scrolling, it's going to keep liking. So that's a really quick way to catch up with everybody in your news feed. But you have to clean up first, because you don't want to be liking on something that's controversial or negative, or something that, you're not wanting to associate yourself with. So I'm going to close this and stop the clicking and show you the part of the tool that helps you to clean up your friends, your groups. Because this was the key of our boot camp today, is to find new appropriate groups for the things that we're truly interested and passionate about, and get rid of the groups that aren't feeding our fire. So where is the groups one? There's a tool there to poke back if you're interested in poking anyone. I, for one, am not a poker. So there's also specific ones here, like unfollow multiple Facebook groups, unfollow multiple Facebook friends at once, unlike multiple Facebook pages at once. So you have to be careful about which tool you're choosing and the actions you want to take. I'm going to pick this one. This tool allows you to leave multiple Facebook groups at once. Start tool. It loads up a screen here, and it says, it's going to access your the API servers at Facebook. And you can see all my groups are listed here. I'm not going to leave any of them because I just did a cleanup this afternoon, and I have some, personal ones in there that you know, like family ones and things like that, that I don't want to leave. So, but I'll show you an example. This is my group. I'm definitely not leaving that one. But you just select the group by clicking on the toggle button. And then when you've gone through your list and scrolled down through your whole list and are ready to start leaving Facebook groups, you just click this button. And then you'll see a little green pop-up window, just like we did when we were doing the likes. And they'll come up to the time. It'll happen at the time intervals that you set here in the time interval between requests. And it will start to leave you. You'll leave the groups that you don't want to be involved in. So that's just a quick tutorial of that one. There's also another Chrome extension that Toolkit for Facebook by Plugx, it's called. Get it at the Chrome Web Store. The other one that I like to use is called Friend Remover Pro. So Friend Remover Pro pulls up all your most active friends to the top of the list. And so I'm going to give a shout out to my girl Call Hunt and Joel Kelman, because they're on the top row. But essentially, it brings your most active friends to the top of the list. You scroll through the list. You can just click on people, and when you're ready to remove friends, I don't know who that was that I just clicked on, but I better unclick them for now because I wasn't focused on who that was, and that wouldn't be fair. Okay, anyway, I don't know where he went. I hope he's not offended. But when you're ready to remove friends and you've selected all the people that you want to remove, you just click this button. Kevin Steinbrook. Okay, I'm going to cancel it. But when you click the button, remove friends, it'll show you how many you have there. And it'll go through, it goes to a screen. And it has a bar. And it counts through as your friends are removed. And at the end, it gives you this congratulations screen. And then you can rate, share, or donate so that it remains free. So those are just a couple of tools that I use to keep my Facebook profile fresh and clean. I'm going to stop the share. Those are a couple tools that I like to use. I hope you enjoy them too, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.